Another free vulnerable test site or series of applications that you can download and use is Hackazon. And Hackazon is actually a tool that has tons of vulnerabilities. You can actually test Ajax, type of vulnerabilities, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and so on, right? So just another awesome tool that is actually available out there. As a matter of fact, what I will advise you is that, as I'm actually mentioning all these type of tools, try them all. But whenever you try these tools, not just installing and launch, tools that come with Kali or BlackArch or Pen2 or any of the other ones like Parrot, right? If not, try to understand what are the underlying protocols. That's the reason that I'm taking a little bit of time here to explain to you what is, the web application protocols, how they actually behave, what are actually the main problems instead of just running tools, right? I want you to understand the underlying technologies and don't not just become as, what we call a script kiddie, right? And just launching tools, right? So take advantage of all these vulnerable applications as you actually go through the exercises, as you actually practice your skill. Also, launch things like Wireshark, do packet captures, analyze what is actually happening, see the difference between a good, a transaction and a potentially malicious transaction, right? So what are the fields that we are actually, be manipulating? And of course, I'm going to walk you through all these in this course, but one of the things that I'm going to keep reminding you is that look at the underlying technology and the underlying protocols to become familiar with it. All the technical details and the place that you can actually download Hackazon is at the GitHub repository that I'm showing here from Rapid7. And again, you can actually run it either in a VM, in bare metal, or in even Docker if you actually wanted to.